Are your apps scattered everywhere and hard to find, or maybe you want your most used apps right on the first page instead of buried at the back? Good news, you don't have to stick with the default alphabetical layout. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you manually arrange apps in any order you want, so your screen looks just the way you like it. To do so, go to your app screen by swiping up from the home screen. Tap the three dots at the bottom right corner, then tap Sort. Now choose Custom Order. By default, your phone sorts apps alphabetically, but switching to Custom Order unlocks full control. Now simply tap and hold any app icon and drag it to wherever you want. You can move your most used apps to the first page or group similar apps together. When you are done, just let go and your new layout is saved automatically. So if you want faster access to the apps you use every day or just a cleaner, more organized screen, switching to custom order makes your phone feel more personal and efficient. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.